Sino Manufacturing is a British-owned supplier of high-quality plastic and metal parts in Shenzhen, China. Injection molded parts, turned parts, pressed or die-cast parts, assemblies or complete products. Whatever your requirement, Sino Manufacturing offers a bespoke service for your project. Whatever stage in the development cycle your product happens to be, we're ready to help. Our creative product design and prototyping team in the UK bring ideas to life. Rapid 3D prototyping service gives you a cost-effective opportunity to overcome any design flaws prior to production. In Shenzhen, our experienced team of British and Chinese engineers use state-of-the-art systems to build tooling to the highest tolerances, ready for our production lines to go to work manufacturing your parts. We supply a wide range of sectors, including automotive, medical, electronics, and domestic appliances. And to make sure our customers are always satisfied, our devoted quality assurance team provides comprehensive inspection of components prior to shipping. British creative and technical know-how, together with Chinese efficiency, brings you a unique, innovative, and comprehensive manufacturing solution. Sino Manufacturing. Think it, make it.